with bleeding hands, to let it break with love and plans. You were my land, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door, where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper, Lord, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wear your cup, I fix your tie, watch you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind, but now you're gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door, where your footsteps touch the floor. Even pain begins to fade, but the love, it always stays. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say that I